Alright, let's try to make this 3D object and let's put some measurements on them. Okay, so we're going to start a new file, a new part, leave the name, check the default template, and we're going to draw it on the front datum plane and skip. And then we are going to create a line here and then go and draw this shape. And let's put a curve here, so we're going to switch to an arc, and we want to use the 3-point arc. Click here, and then open it like this. Alright, I click when it attached to something, so I'm going to undo and then make sure that I click somewhere and it doesn't attach anywhere. Now if you can't go back and click on the correct angle, you can start from this end. You can start from here and then go there, and then just see, you don't want to click there because they're going to align. So make sure you can right click, and then it disables the automatic constraint, or just make sure that you are not attaching to anything. Okay, so let's just leave it there and then click. Let's draw another line down here and connect like that. Right, press escape or line. We want this curve to smoothen out, so we're going to use the tangent. Okay, tangent. And then what we wanted to do is we wanted to specify, let's say, the width of this arc or this line. So we don't want to specify the length. We want to specify this corner onto this opposite corner here. So let's put a center line that is a geometry center line, because we're going to revolve later. We're going to create a vertical line, a vertical center line, and then we are going to use the measurement tool, and we are going to click this corner and then this center line and then this corner again, and then middle click here. So what it does, it'll allow you to define the diameter of how it will revolve without specifying half of the line. So we want a total of 160 here, so we'll just put 160, press enter. Okay, and then the same thing, you wanted to specify, let's say, the width of this object, so from here to the center line back to this object, and then middle click somewhere here, and you can specify a specific number. So in this case, we wanted this one to be 210. Alright, same thing here, we wanted to specify this corner, this corner's radius for a revolve, so we're going to measurement, click that corner, click the center line, and then click that corner again, and then middle click somewhere here. There's a mismatch, so we're gonna click this corner, click this center line, and then click this corner again and middle click, and then let's specify 110. Right, and then let's just specify the height. We wanted to specify this line to this line, so pick two lines and then middle click here. It'll give us a measurement of the total height. We're going to specify that to be like 340, press enter. And then I also want to specify this corner to this height, so we're going to specify this line and that corner, and this line and that corner, and then middle click here and specify a whole number 80, press enter. There you go. So we did a different kind of measurement. It specifies the diameter of a revolve, because we're going to revolve later, and that can be done using dimensions by picking a corner, a center line, and then back to the corner, and then middle click somewhere, and then you can specify the actual radius of the revolve. So we have everything set of what we want. We can also specify the radius of this one, so we can also specify that here. However, because it's set to become tangent to this one, I guess we cannot anymore, so we can close that. How about this angle over here? So we're gonna measure this angle and this angle, but we're going to want the angle outside here, and we can't also because it's already constrained to be parallel. These two are parallel, so if we want to, we can remove that constraint. We don't want them to be parallel. You can delete that, or you can just accept that as it is, if depending on your measurement. So we're done with our sketch. It will not turn pink because we didn't actually close it. So when you click OK, it's not going to turn pink or enclose it. But if we select this and then we click revolve, as long as there's a center line, it will revolve that for us. Alright, so click OK to accept, and then again, if you wanted to edit, you can click here and then right click and then edit definition, and then you can edit your sketch. Alright, but that's how to put this diameter for a revolve. Alright.